My idea for this project was to go out and find a clock face, find a moon, would select them both and drop the clock on top of the moon and combine them and show you masking and opacity and blend modes and stuff like that. But I thought I'll dump it into the sky in a city scene. And after I downloaded these 3 files, I looked at this and I looked at the way this road bent and came and met this right side. And I went, hey, wouldn't it be cool if I could mirror this and drop the mirror side over here and then put the moon and the clock in the center. That was how this evolved. And then once I started playing around and started building it, this is a awkward rectangle that's almost a square. And I went, how much sweeter this would be if it were an actual square. And that way, like the free prints, the 8x8 prints, square prints, a la Instagram, are very popular today. They're very hip and people dig them. So I thought, yeah, I'll make this square. Only there's no easy way to make this square. Or is there? Okay, that's the thought process behind this. Let's come back and make half a square out of this rectangle. And you're going to need a little basic math in order to understand this. So put on your thinking cap, let's come back and let's go ahead and do that.